Hey guys, in this short little video we are going to set up Fail2Ban. So first of all, what is Fail2Ban? Fail2Ban is pretty much a log parser. It goes through your logs and looks for suspicious login attempts. For example, if someone tries to log into an SSH service for the 10th time in a row, it probably is a bot or some automated threat that tries to log into your system. Might be an adversary, depends. So first thing we're gonna do, you can see I have an Arch Linux VM running here, stock Arch Linux install. The only thing installed is a couple of utilities like sudo and vim. So first of all, we're gonna install Fail2Ban, and I will use IP tables as a backend. As you can see, it's already installed. So I just did it again and reinstalled the packages, but for you obviously it would be a new installation, so there would also be a couple of dependencies. The next step on the list, we actually make a custom jail config. Just quick explanation: by default when you install Fail2Ban, no jail is started. With jails, Fail2Ban means services like SSH, Apache, Nginx, and so forth. Keep that in mind. If you install it, you need to set up a jail to actually use Fail2Ban. So we go to etc Fail2Ban, go to jail.d, and we're going to create a new file, sshd.local. I've already prepared an example file and show you what I've set up so far. So we want to set it to enabled. We want to filter for SSHD since we want to specifically target this to SSHD. The ban action, which actually this is the command, or in my case IP tables, the action that's going to take place. So we're going to use IP tables to ban the offending IP. The backend, this is important. On Arch Linux, everything is going through journal or to the systemd journal, so there are no log files like it used to be. You normally, before systemd, you had a lot of log files in var log for Apache, SSHD, or daemons in general, but nowadays most of it goes into the journal. So keep that in mind. The maximum retry, that value, together with the find time, specifies if someone gets banned. So if there are 3 tries in the time space of 1 day, so 1 day it takes into account, and 3 failed login attempts, it will ban the offending IP. And the ban time says how long. I said 4 weeks, 1 month. You can of course use different metrics here if you like. That's totally up to you. Another important thing is ignore IP. I ignore localhost since there shouldn't be any attempts from localhost. And an important factor is I also unban my own IP address, because an attacker could spoof the packet and get yourself banned so that you can't access SSH anymore, or the SSH daemon. Keep that in mind. We're going to quit and save that. And next thing on the list, we need to restart the service. We're going to use systemctl Fail2Ban and restart it. So since that is taken care of, now you might ask, well, how do I see which IPs have been banned? You can use the Fail2Ban command for that, or client. Go to status and SSHD. Remember, SSHD was the name of our jail. So currently there's nothing in the list, as you can see, but if you have a public facing server, there most likely will be a lot of bans in a short amount of time, since many bots try to hit on port 22, for example, in the case of SSHD. You can also view the currently banned IP addresses by Fail2Ban client banned. And in here, if your server, for example, was public facing, you would soon see quite a number of IP addresses. I have Fail2Ban running on my VPS instance where my website runs, and there's quite a few entries there. So keep that in mind. With all that set up, that's basically it to set up a basic configuration of Fail2Ban. I will provide links to the manual pages in the description box. So thank you guys for watching and have a good day.